Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Expedia not showing Affirm as a payment option. This is a common issue that can be frustrating when you're trying to book a hotel and want to use monthly payments. So let's walk through the process and figure out what might be causing it. First, open your web browser and head over to expedia.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll see the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on Stays to start your hotel search. Now you'll see a search interface where you need to enter your travel details. Navigate to the Where To field and type in your destination area in the text field. This could be a city, a specific hotel name, or even a landmark. Right beside it, you'll see the Dates option. Click on it and select your check-in date first, then choose your checkout date. These dates are important because they'll determine availability and pricing for your stay. Next, you can adjust the number of travelers by clicking the Travelers button. Here you can modify the number of adults and children by clicking the minus and plus icons until you have the right count for your booking. Once everything is set, click Search to see available hotels. You'll now see a list of hotels that match your search criteria. Browse through the options and click on your preferred hotel to view more details. Once you're on the hotels page, scroll down until you reach the Rooms section. Hover your mouse over the room you want to book, then click Reserve. This will take you to the checkout process where payment options become available. Here's a critical step. When you're presented with payment timing options, make sure to select Pay Now rather than Pay Later. This is essential because the monthly payments option, which includes Affirm, only appears when you choose to pay upfront. Take a moment to confirm you've selected Pay Now before moving forward. Now you'll need to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and phone number in the required fields. After that, navigate down to the Payment Methods section. This is where you should see monthly payments as an option. If it's available, select it and you'll be able to proceed with Affirm or a similar service. However, if you can't find the monthly payments option, there are several factors that might be affecting its availability. The monthly payments option in Expedia can depend on multiple things, and location is one of them, but it's not the only factor. Some of the main things that determine availability include your country or location as a user, the type of booking you're making, the total price of the booking, and whether your payment method is eligible for installment plans. Affirm and similar services aren't available in all regions, and sometimes the hotel or total cost doesn't meet the minimum requirements for monthly payment plans. If you've followed all these steps and still don't see the option, it's best to reach out to Expedia support directly for clarification. To do this, go back to the Expedia main page, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the page and click on Help. This will open the support interface where you can start typing your concern about Affirm not showing up. The support team can provide specific information about why the option isn't available for your booking and whether there are alternative solutions. And there you have it. You've now gone through the entire process and understand what might be preventing Affirm from appearing as a payment option on Expedia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.